I am going to change McDonald's into Garrick's restaurant. Hi Tom, do you want something?
May I please get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi Garrick, Tom.
Hi Derek.
May I get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi Garrick, Tom, and Derek.
Hi Kevin, Alan, and Larry.
Can we get jobs?
Sure thing.
May I get a job?
Sorry, but there are none left.
You guys are so mean. I will never let you both in my house again.
No please. We are sorry.
You won't stop chasing me.
I am sorry.
Stop following me.
Oh my God.
You wanna go to the table?
Well, you have to get him and get out.
Here is your present. That's it. I will call your parents.
Garrick, Tom,
Derek,
Kevin,
Alan, Larry.
We can't believe you boys opened up a restaurant. Garrick, you are grounded forever.
Tom, you are grounded forever.
Derek, you are grounded forever.
Kevin, you are grounded for the rest of the month.
Alan, you are grounded forever.
Larry, you are grounded forever.
let's go home now.